Welcome back. In this week's edition of the Business Review, real estate investment is in the spotlight. We delve into the story behind a relatively new company in the industry, Firstrock Capital Holdings. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Firstrock is an investment holding company with a core focus on real estate and private equity investments. The company deploys its capital for the ultimate benefit of shareholders. But as president and co-founder Ryan Reed explains, getting people to buy into the business in the early stages took some convincing.
When we sought out to raise our initial capital, one of the things we wanted to represent to investors is that we had skin in the game. So the directors and co-founders invested $3.2 million a year ago. So we want to say, listen, we are vested. We believe in this vision, we believe in this journey, and so we put our money where our mouth was at the time.
With that hurdle behind him, Mr. Reed says the next challenge was identifying the areas which would deliver the best investment returns.
Within the real estate space, there are three income streams that we pursue. Firstly, income-producing properties. We believe that income-producing properties are necessary to bolster our portfolio, and so the most weighting of our portfolio are in income-producing properties. Secondly, developments. Developments provide that kicker to your portfolio. We're executing development opportunities here in Jamaica. Matter of fact, where we are standing tonight is one such property that we have spectacular plans for. Capital gains opportunities, where we acquire properties for capital gain.
And although the company has roots in other territories, Mr. Reed says he expects most of the success to come from Jamaica.
There are Jamaica, Cayman, the United States, Costa Rica. These are economies that we're very bullish about, primarily Jamaica. So our most allocation has been and will be Jamaica.
But he knows that the kind of growth Firstrock is looking for requires careful planning. That's why he says the company is constantly measuring its investment risks.
We want to be able, in every transaction, to do proper due diligence. And we feel as if due diligence can be best executed when we can do it on companies versus individuals. And so that's why we're so heavily weighted on commercial opportunities.
The company is currently offering more than 106 million shares in an initial public offering. Mr. Reed is expecting to raise at least $200 million, or the US equivalent, from both its Class A and B ordinary shares. The company is hoping to use that cash to make up the $1.7 billion worth of transaction it has already entered into agreement to execute. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.